Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Zara Cahyanti. I'm a postgraduate student in English education at Indra Prasa Pagar University. In this occasion, I would like to tell you my video presentation by the title Communicative Language Teaching in the FL Classroom Best Practices under the guidance Dr. Feni Maidasari MPD. What are the slide of my presentation? The first, introduction. The second, principles of CLT. The third, why CLT is important in EFL classroom. The fourth, best practices in CLT. The fifth, example of CLT activities. The sixth, challenges in implementing CLT. The seventh, teachers' best practices. And the last is conclusions. For the next, I have a big question. Do you know everyone what is communicative language teaching or CLT? Communicative language teaching or CLT is a learner-centered approach to language teaching that aims to develop student ability to communicate effectively in real-life situations. Rather than focusing only on grammar rules and memorization, CLT encourages learners to use English meaningfully and interactively. Okay, for the first is learner-centered approach. Students play an active role in the learning process. The teacher acts as a facilitator who guides and supports communication instead of simply delivering information. And for the second is communication is the main goal. The primary objective is to help students express ideas, share opinions, ask questions, and understand others using English in authentic context. Principle of Communicative Language Teaching or CLT. There are three principles. The first is communication is the main objective. The primary goal of CLT is to help learners communicate effectively in English rather than simply memorize grammar rules. Students are encouraged to express ideas, ask questions, solve problems, and interact naturally in meaningful situations. The second is learners actively participate in classroom interaction. CL3 promotes active learning through pair work, group discussion, role plays, interview, and problem-solving tasks, instead of listening to lectures all the time. Students learn by using the language to communicate with others. The third is fluency is as important as grammatical accuracy. CLT values both fluency and accuracy. Students are encouraged to speak confidently without being afraid to making mistakes. Why CLT is important in FL classrooms? The first reason is improved speaking and listening skill. CLT provides students with many opportunities to practice speaking and listening through discussion, role plays, interview, and pair or group work. These interactive activities help learners use English naturally and improve their ability to communicate effectively in real-life situations. The second reason is builds learners' confidence. Many FL students are afraid of making mistakes when speaking English. CLT creates a supportive learning environment where mistakes are viewed as part of the learning process. As students practice communicating regularly, they become more confident and willing to express their ideas in English. The third is encourages collaboration and teamwork. CLT emphasizes cooperative learning through pair work and group activities. Students learn to share ideas, negotiate meaningful, and solve problems. Best practices in CLT. To apply communicative language teaching successfully, teachers should use interactive and student-centered strategies. Pair work and group discussions give students more opportunities to communicate with their classmates. Role plays and simulations help students practice English in real-life situations. Information gap activities and problem-solving tasks encourage learners to exchange information and think critically. While using English, project-based learning allows students to apply language skill in meaningful projects, and classrooms, debates, and presentations develop confidence, critical thinking, and public speaking skills. These practices make language learning more engaging, practical, and effective. Example of CLT activities. The first is planning a holiday. This activity is an example of communicative task because students use English to solve a real-life problem. Instead of focusing on grammar exercise, they work together to plan a holiday by discussing different options and making decisions as a group. The second is objective. The main objective of this activity is to develop students' speaking, listening, and negotiation skills. Students learn to express opinions, ask for information, agree and disagree politely, make suggestions, and reach a group decision using English. The third is procedure. Students work in groups. Divide the class into groups of 3 or 4 students. Each group works together to plan a holiday. Working in groups gives every student the opportunity to communicate and collaborate with others. Challenges in implementing communicative language teaching or CLT. Although communicative language teaching offers many benefits, teachers often face several challenges when applying it in EFL classrooms. Understanding these challenges helps educators choose appropriate strategies to make CLT more effective. Common challenges. The first, large class size. In many schools, one teacher is responsible for 30 or 50 students or more. This makes it difficult to monitor every student's participations, organize communicative activities, and provide individual feedback. As a result, some students may have fewer opportunities to practice speaking. Second, limit instructional time. English classes often have limited teaching hours each week, since CLT activities such as discussions, role plays, and group projects require sufficient time. Teachers may struggle to complete. Teachers' best practice in communicative language teaching or CLT. Successful CLT teachers do more than teach grammar and vocabulary. They create a learning environment where students feel comfortable communicating, collaborating, and using English meaningfully. The following practice help teachers implement CLT effectively. The first, create a positive classroom atmosphere. A supportive and encouraging classroom environment helps students feel safe to speak English without fear of making mistakes. Teachers should encourage participations, respect students' opinions, and celebrate progress. When students feel comfortable, they are more willing to communicate. Use authentic materials. Teachers should use real-world materials such as newspapers, magazines, menus, advertisements, videos, podcasts, songs, websites, and social media posts.